G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make drinkable blood. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel. Now for this, get 1 cup of cold water. Get 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, also called glucose syrup. Now you can either add chocolate or strawberry syrup or topping. It really depends on how much colour you want, how red you want it. So I'm going to add some strawberry, just about 1 to 2 tablespoons. And if you want it to be extra vibrant, extra red, just add about 25 drops of red food colouring. Now give it a good stir. Now if you want to add a little bit of chocolate to it, that'll just change the colour slightly. You just do it until you get the colour that you want. Now just get a ziploc bag and pour it straight in there. There you go. Yummy, drinkable blood. Well, I hope you like this. Look at the blood. Mmm. Oh, blood. See you next time for my next meal.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.